In today's video, I'll show you how you could do color correction in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and from here is that we have our sample footage in here. To color correct this or to improve the visuals is that you want to go into the color workspace. This is what I recommend instead of just adding a Lumetri color into the clip and then going to effect controls. Because when you click here and go into color, you would now have this sidebar right here where you could customize everything. Or you could actually go into Windows and you can go into Lumetri Color and add it into your workspace if you'd want. Now, once you're here is that you want to go into basic correction. And the first option that I'm going to show you is that we have this auto button right here. So you can click on that so that you won't have to do any color grading into or color correction into your footage, and AI will automatically do it for you. There are some cases that it doesn't really work that well, but there are also some cases that it would work well. I think it would depend on the kind of footage that you have, so you can just try it out. If it's not great, then you can click here on reset, and then you will be back at the normal values. And yeah, basically you just need to go and modify the options in here to fix your colors in your footage. Like maybe it is too dark, then you can bump up the exposure a bit so that it will now be brighter. And then you can also go for the other values like highlights and the shadows and so on, and many more right here that you might need, so feel free to explore. And once you're now satisfied with your values in here, as you can see, I think the footage now looks good. It is well lit and everything can be seen from every detail. So I'm just going to go into creative next. And from here, I'm going to add a filter so that I would be able to add emotion to the footage. So now I'm going to go into this one right here. So I can just click here on the right arrow icon to go through the filters that is available to be applied on this footage, or what you might call a LUT. So basically you can go search up on YouTube like free LUTs for Adobe Premiere Pro, and then you can import them right here. But Adobe Premiere already has this preset LUTs right here available for you to use, so you can also use them. And let's say I would want this one, so this is giving me some action movie vibe, so as you can see right here. So I can now also lower down the intensity right here so that it will not be so prominent, and I think this one is enough right there, and I think that looks really good right here, so it's looking sharp. And then you could also go for the faded film if you'd want to, some sharpen, vibrance, and then saturation you can bump it up if you'd want to. I'll just stay at this value. So yeah, this is it, and now let's expand this so that we'll be able to see it better. And now from here, this is our finished color corrected footage, and this is our before, which is now looking very dull now that we have seen the color corrected version. So that's it on how you could color correct in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.